on the OH adhesive weightage and enter into the HMI screen as shown. Now enter the value of OH in the actual dispensing in grammage. Now calibrate the both NCO and OH. For that you need to select the NCO pump on and press the calibrate button for 5 to 6 seconds continuously from the HMI screen as shown. After completion of calibrate procedure, now turn off the calibration mode to off position as shown. Now to validate the calibration procedure for the completion, now press the home screen and reset the man ratio reset button to ensure the calibration has been done or not. Again, individually you can switch off the pumps. Now we'll switch off OH pump and we'll start the NCO pump to check the readings are correct. Press the cycle start push button from the operating screen to take the NCO adhesives as shown. After calibration procedure, we have taken the adhesive, NCO adhesive, and note down the value. The set was 100 and what we have measured is 100.02. So almost very accurate. So this completes the calibration procedure of NCO. After completion of the NCO validation, now we will go for the OH validation. For that we need to switch off the NCO pump and switch on the OH pump. Now activate the cycle start push button from the operating screen to validate the OH. After calibration procedure, we have taken the OH adhesive and noted down the values. The set was 60 and the measured is 60.19. It is so close to the set value. This completes the OH calibration procedure. Now to validate the both NCO and OH adhesive grammages, now we will set the NCO pump to the on and also to ensure OH pump to the on position and activate the cycle start push button from the operating screen to take the OH and NCO adhesive together from the mixing head as shown. After completion of both OH and NCO calibration, now we have taken the OH and NCO adhesive together in a tumbler and the set was 160 and the measured is 160.62. This is also very close to the set value. This completes the and also validates the calibration procedure of OH and NCO adhesives. Now you can see the values of NCO and OH in the screen. Actual the grammage is 99.9 and 60.1. It is so close, so close.